Good day everyone. Ang gagawin naman natin ngayon ay mag-insert tayo ng record sa table. So gagamit tayo ng SQL insert into statement. So all you have to do is copy lang natin yung syntax kung paano siya implement. I'll just copy it here sa W3 Schools. Then puntahan nyo lang yung ating MySQL Workbench. So ito yung existing. I'll just copy the syntax here and ayun. So I'll just copy here plus insert in the table. Control C, then paste ko lang siya here. Okay, so yung table name natin that would be customers. So customers and we have column. So here in our case, hindi natin sasama si customer ID kasi naka-auto increment siya, di ba? So, mauna, that would be si customer name. Tapos, comma. And next is si contact name. Then, comma ulit. Then, address. Then, we have comma, city. Then, comma again. Kasama yung postal code. Okay, so one word lang pala siya, sorry. And the last one is comma, country. Okay, so pinalo natin yung syntax. Then we're going to add the values. So type values. Then, open parentheses. Ano yung mga values na ilalagay natin? Sa customer name, sabihin natin lagay tayo halimbawa, naisip ko out of the blue si Frank Sinatra. Maganda na sample natin. Frank Sinatra, then comma. Then, lagay tayo ng contact name. Sabihin natin si Elizabeth Lincoln. Then, sunod is contact name address. Sabihin natin apostrophe Maryland. So, dami lang to. Then, city. City. Anyway, lang may lagay sa USA na lang. Postal code. Lagay lang tayo ng value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And, comma. Country, USA. Okay, yung city, I don't know kung tama yung nilagay ko, ano? But, here, yes, apostrophe, and apostrophe ulit, doble, and finally, close parenthesis, and yeah, flash ito, yung city, ano? I don't know kung nasan yung Maryland na to. Anyway, this is only an example, ano? So, I'll just click the, ano gagawin natin sunod? I-run natin yung query natin. Okay? So, of course, mag-error yan kasi kasama yung syntax dito. I'm gonna delete this one and run the query. Okay? So, abang natin. Medyo mabagal kasi na recording ginagawa natin. And check natin ngayon kung na-add yung record. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, click nyo yung refresh button here. And of course, we're going to run again our table. Ayun. So, since twice ko siya, nirefresh, automatic, ayun, ma-add ngayon si Frank Sinatra. Okay, na doble, Anyway, supposed to be dapat hindi, Okay, so ganoon lang po mag-add ng record sa ating table. That's it for today. Thank you and bye-bye.